Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that your generator will start on the first pull every time. Let's go.
So any small gas engine like this is going to need three things to run properly: air, fuel, and spark. If it's missing any of those three factors, it's not going to run properly. So we'll start with air. I took the cover off the air filter here, and I actually put a brand new air filter on this. If your filter is discolored, or it's saturated with gas, or if it's flaking away, or anything like that, it's going to stop it from getting proper air into the combustion chamber. So you want to make sure you're running with a new air filter. They're only $7 or $8, so just get a new one. So the next thing to check is spark. You want to make sure that your spark plug is in good shape. Now this one is brand new. It was just installed, and I only ran this for a couple minutes. But if your spark plug is either super black or super white, or it looks like the gap is getting chewed away, you're going to want to put a brand new spark plug in there. These are $3, $4, or $5. It's a good measure just to put a brand new spark plug in there before the season, just to make sure it always starts.
And then of course there's fuel. So you always want to make sure you have fuel in your tank so that your generator runs, but it's important to use treated fuel. Gasoline only lasts so long, and stuff like stabilizer will make sure that your fuel is good for maybe a couple years, so you don't have to drain the fuel out and put new gasoline in there. So it's important to use stabilized fuel in your generator.
And then of course you want to check your oil. You always want to make sure you have good oil in your generator and make sure you have enough oil. Not all of them come with a dipstick. Some of these just come with fill caps like this one. So just make sure it's full of oil and you should be good to go in that department. If it's dirty, go ahead and change it. Check out my video. I'll link right here on how to change the oil in your generator.
And lastly, you want to run your generator at least once a month for a few minutes just to keep everything moving. If there's any bad gas in your system, it'll run it through the carburetor. That way it doesn't sit there, gum up your jets, and require a full carb clean to get it going. So you want to run it once a month just to keep everything moving along.
All right, guys, well, I certainly hope that helped you. Give some tips on how to store your generator and how to make sure that it is ready to rock and roll when you need it to work. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. I'd be happy to answer if I can. But as always, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Have a great day.